So that's where it went next.
And that must have been when I saw it. I was hiding in your head.
That ball's had a really busy day, and it sounds like Kia was the last one.
Looks like your super bouncy ball bounced out of this bouncy house. What could...
That's the bong-oing sound I heard right before that super bouncy ball.
Jonathan was. Jonathan?
What?
I think I know what happened. See? It bounced all the way to the pond where Cupcake was hiding. Bouncy house making the boing-oing sound Jonathan heard right before. Come on, everyone. Super bouncy ball, where are you?
Say, I heard a crack sound.
Yeah, what about the crack sound?
I cracked myself up.
Never gonna see that baseball again. Not supposed to let anyone near that machine.
Remember that super nifty ball you saw at Bob's work makes more of them for puppies all over the world? It's a special ball that Bob just didn't... I can't get it out. But we still gotta chase it. Come on. Thanks for your help, Tate.
So happy you pups found it.
My happy puppy tail is happy too. Look at it go.
Sounds like you had fun. And it looks like it was a hit with your friends, too. I'm ready? Here goes.